Welcome friends, I am going to show you how to group objects and to move objects. So right now I just have a flat plane here and then a vertical plane. So let's just assume that this is a floor and a wall. So I'm going to create a very simple table. And then let's just say that I put something on top of that table, that this is going to be an object that we work on, that has multiple parts to it. So it's a table with something on it or just whatever. It could be whatever, right? I mean, your object may have many different boss features and, it might be a lot more complex than a simple table. Now, to group this, all you need to do is just select it. That's also why I'm not doing it on this plane, on the ground, the floor or the near the wall, because that can definitely create problems. If you've ever played around with SketchUp, you'll understand. So I'm just going to marquee select this, right click, and just make it a group. And then when you make it a group, use the move tool right here. You can move it easily. It doesn't stick when you place it down on this surface or with that background. It's independent and it will always be independent. You can scale it easily. So trust me, this will save you a lot of time and a lot of grief, because sometimes people get to drawing. One of the assignments that I have is to model part of my classroom. So there is a wall, there is a floor. They're going and creating some of their objects along the wall, which they look great, but then when they're trying to move them, things go awry and they get sad. And I do not like any whining or crying in my classroom. So I'm trying to save some grief. Also, when you create a group out of your objects, it gives you these tick marks. I don't know what the official name for them is, but on each surface they have these red, you'll notice these marks, and that allows you to rotate. You can actually rotate your object very easily as well. All right, so that is how to group and move and rotate your object